tried to propagate elderberry from cuttings. Let's see if we can propagate them on water. It will be nice to have many plants out of those branches. The main thing we're gonna do is to remove all those leaves. We need to have the harder part here. I'll cut this one too. We'll see if this is gonna survive. And just drop it in water like that. We're gonna do the same with this. Better not to have any leaves. I want to cut this one a little better. So it's a hard stem, harder, not too big of a branch. And drop it in the water. So I collect some cuttings, keep it in the water. I use not chlorinated water, that's important. And I want to show you the difference between the elderberry and the poisoned version, which is the elderberry leaves on both sides, directly on each side of the stem, like this one. When the poison version, they alternate, they're not gonna be across. Let's see what's happened 2 weeks after. Put those little branches here. They have fresh leaves. Not all of them are rooting. This one is about to get some roots, but I have to tell you, those big thick branches that I have on my bucket already have roots, but those little ones are barely popping. The branch that I stick directly on the ground actually has a new growings. It hasn't been around 10 days and there is no new growth. Beautiful. Not bad at all. Another good one. Six months later, the big stick that I put in the ground grown as a nice big elderberry. It's almost 5 feet tall.